Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going through importing a Figma file. So first of all, create a theme. I'm just going to name it Figma course. I'll click the creating button. It's going to pop up with add team members tab. For now, I'm just going to skip this. So I'll choose starter plan. Then yes, 3 files, 3 pages, 1 project. That's starter plan. Once I click it, Figma course is created. Okay, I think it duplicated itself. So I'll just go ahead and delete it. Yes, delete, just copy this Figma course, paste and delete. Same for all this, just remove the period and delete it. Then the last one. Yes, I just want to have everything in one file. So once that's done, so we'll go ahead and import a design file or a sketch file. So before we do that, I'm just going to show you guys a website where you can get free resources. One is figmaresources.com, the next one is uiux.com, the third one is sketchappsresources.com. So I'll go with SketchUp and I'll just choose any template. Let's say this e-commerce UI kit. And I'll click the download resource button. Yes, just 4.4 MB. And once that's downloaded, I'll go ahead and click it. This is going to unzip the file. Then I'll go ahead back to my Figma file and click import. So I'll search Aden e-commerce. Yes, design. So it's just going to import it. That will take a while. Once it's done, it will show a success message. The import has been completed. Okay, it's almost done. It's already showing on the background. File imported successfully. So go ahead and click the done button and double click that file. You can as well rename the title and move ahead with your customization of this current template. But for now, I won't do that. So it's going to pop up with missing fonts. If you don't have them installed on your system or your Figma, you can just choose any font you want to replace them with. So for now, I'll just choose any basic font. I replace the current embedded font with it. Yeah, choose Ebel. I'll just keep choosing any font for now, just to make this fast. Yes, so I'm using the tab key just to breeze through this so that you guys can see how the imported template looks like. Yes, so I'm just gonna skip this using the tab key to move fast. Once I'm done, I click the replace font and voila, this is the template with all the pages by the left pane of this design file. So that's it for this video.